Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a face video. I'm about to do a makeup look. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I might end with a red lip. I don't know. But anyways, let's go. I'm not gonna talk long. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's do this. back. I'm finished. Now, is this the best makeup I could have done? No. Is this the one that I could have done in the time that I was doing it? Yes. Anyways, I am loving my red hair. Red hair. Oh my god, it's not even red. It's new hair. I love it. But this is about my face. Now, I use my magnetic lashes. Okay. These aren't the biggest ones. These are the second largest ones. I still wasn't ready for the big ones. But gorgeous. 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 That's it. It's a quick and easy video. I don't know what to call this. This is just a night out look, glam. I don't know what you call this one, but it's pretty simple. I just wanted to play around with makeup and I got it. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you back here for the next one. I don't know what it's gonna be, but there'll be another one. Later days.